Then after, the next tab is kernel tab. This is the control center for the engine that runs your code in Jupyter Notebook. That is called kernel. So first of all, what exactly the kernel is? It's the backend process that executes your code, stores variable in memory, and handles the calculation. If the kernel crashes or hangs, your notebook won't run properly. This is what the kernel is. Now in this tab, we are going to start with the first option. The first option is interrupt kernel. Press I twice quickly to stop the running process. Then restart kernel. If you press 0 twice, and that you need to do it very quickly. This will clear all the variables, reset memory, and gives you clean slate. Now if you want to reset kernel and clear all the outputs, then this is the option for you. Just click it and there we go. Everything is clean. Then the next option is restart kernel and run all the cell. Just click it, restart, and then it will run all the cell. And there we have the result. Then the next option is restart kernel and debug. This option is only clickable when you are in debugging mode. Until it is not clickable. Now if you find that you have lost connection to your kernel, then not to worry, just hit reconnect to kernel to restore your session. Then this will be very much useful. If you have done working with your notebook, you can click to shut down the kernel to free up the memory, or you can go nuclear and shut down all kernels to stop everything running across all the notebooks. And if you are thinking to switch in between environments, like going from Python 3 to Julia or R, use change kernel. Click here. Here you will find multiple kernel options. Select kernel you want and go ahead with that. So that's it from this kernel menu. Now before we move ahead, there is a quick short question from this kernel tab, and the question is this: what happens when you press 0 twice quickly in Jupyter Notebook? A. Shut down all the notebooks. B. You restart the kernel. C. You clear the output of all the cells. And D. You delete the current cell. Think over it and write the answer in comment section. If you find this video useful, then do not forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to this channel.